Hey guys, Toby with Vigilante Performance, and this video is going to be on installing wire locks on a set of aftermarket pistons. Now I know I haven't made a video in a couple years, but anybody that runs a small business knows that it's time consuming. You got to talk to customers, you got to do emails back and forth, and obviously check on orders. So I apologize, I'll try and make some more videos in the future. But this one's fairly simple. Working on a small block Ford. These are CP pistons, and these rods are a Molnar Windsor rod. It's a 6200 rod. I'm not sure if you can tell right there. Now, what makes these rods special or proper is that it has a proper, I'm not sure if you can tell, it has a proper offset. So you see this right here on the cheek side? It's sticking out further to make sure on the small end, it's pulling the piston from the center of the cylinder. Now, most companies just run a, basically a small block Chevy rod, because it has the right journal 2100, but obviously it's not pulling it from the center of the cylinder. So that's why we're using a Molnar rod. Sometimes we'll use a CP Carrillo rod to match their CP pistons. Anyway, let's get to it. So the easiest way to do it is install one wire lock, a little bit of lube. So install one. You can kind of push. I'm not sure if you can tell. Let's see if we can get that angle right here. So I'm just going to push right in the center. So you see that right there. So it's pushed in. I'm going to tilt it up. I'm going to grab my pin, lube the other side. So I'll push the pin in. And I've got my handy dandy screwdriver. You can see this right here. I'm sure you can tell. It's got a little cutout, and that'll help push the wire lock from the top so you can feel it. You can actually hear it snap in. Then you just push the pin from the back. Boom. That sucker's in there. Simple. Now, you want to make sure you have the piston oriented correctly, so we know that this is the intake valve side, and we want that chamfer cheek on the rod on that side as well. So once again, just a little more lube. You don't want to go too crazy on this stuff. Just a little more lube. Slide the pin in. Easy. Now here comes the more difficult part. Okay, wire lock. You see it's got a cutout here, so you can install and you can remove it. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to use this part of the screwdriver, okay? And we're going to push down. And it's going to be really simple because you're going to push down and you're just simply going to rotate. So let's do it. See how easy that is. Give me a sec. There it goes. There it goes. So it's that simple. I've had guys send me the set of pistons. I've had shops send pistons and rods for us to assemble, which is not a problem, but as you can see, it's that simple. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Hope that helped.